Hello everybody, my name is Lucie Porcelli and I'm the Dow Polyurethane Sustainability Leader for the Europe, Middle East, Africa and India. The RENUVA Mattress Recycling Program aims to chemically recycle post-consumer polyurethane foam for mattresses in collaboration with the value chain. The new raw materials recovered from such polyurethane foam, polyols, that then can be used to create a new polyurethane application, such as rigid foam for insulation or flexible foam, which can then be used to create new mattresses. In May 2020, we have announced that we are moving ahead in creating a new business ecosystem in France. As such, we will be implementing the first plan which will be able to chemically recycle polyurethane foam. And this plan, at full capacity, will be able to recycle up to 200,000 mattresses per year. We are looking forward to receiving the first batch from this plan already in the first half of 2021. In Europe, each year, more than 30 million mattresses are being wasted. They contain a lot of polyurethane material, approximately 160,000 metric tons. But as these mattresses end up in landfill or incineration, so the raw material which could be used, the polyurethane product. But we see that the European Union and local governments are enforcing new regulations, such as the European Green Deal, the Circular Economy Action Plan, or even the European Municipal Waste Regulation. And we at Dow Polyurethanes are welcoming these regulations because they can truly help to drive the circular economy. And the RENUVA Mattress Recycling Program is a clear demonstration of this. Dow Polyurethanes and H&S Technik, the German engineering company, has started to collaborate already in November 2017 to create market for recycled polyol. And today we are very grateful that we are able to announce that this collaboration has resulted in implementation and that the first plant will be built in France during the 2020 and start up in the first half of 2021. We will have the French EPR scheme, Extended Producer Responsibility Scheme, Ecomobilier, who will be supplying the end-of-life foam for the process. We have also H&S Technik, who will supply the process know-how and the turnkey installation plant. And then we have Orrion Chemicals Orgaform, the French chemical company who will operate the process on Dow's behalf. Dow, as such, will work on the application and making sure that there is enough market and enough application the polyol with recycled content can be used in. Dow has been reviewing the centrally organized waste collection and dismantling for some time now, and we have decided to start with mattresses because we see there is a great pressure on mattresses, if it's from regulators or even consumers. But this is just the beginning. With the first industry ecosystem being formed in France, we want to show and demonstrate to the polyurethane industry, to the governments, to the regulations, to the brand owners, to the public, that polyurethanes can be recycled. Polyurethanes can have value at the end of their life, as the PET bottles have today. But we need the right infrastructure to enable the collection and dismantling of polyurethanes foam. As such, at Dow, we want to play our role. We have a strong application knowledge if it's flexible or rigid polyurethane foam, so we want to use it and we want to work with our customers and brand owners to ensure that there is enough market for those polyols with recycled content. We really are looking forward to the startup of the plan in the first half of 2020 and are looking forward to form even more collaborations and industry partnerships along the way. Recycling polyurethane foam and building the recycling supply chain really poses unique challenges. First, we have to start with the market. Today, market for post-consumer polyurethane foam is limited and is in decline. And that's why it's clear that the industry will have to find new ways to give polyurethanes product a second life. The RENUVA Mattress Recycling Program is just one of the ways to achieve it. Second, we need access to waste, like we need access to feedstock. And that's where the biggest challenge came for our program, really having access to feedstock. And this is one of the reasons why we have decided to implement the program in France, where the extended producer responsibility for mattresses has been put in place a long time ago. And third, the value chain complexity. Converting foam to polyols is not entirely new technology, but it has never been implemented at industrial scale and for post-consumer waste because of the technological complexity, but also because of the value chain complexity. And that's why we are extremely proud to start up the new business ecosystem in France and looking forward to the outcome of the RENUVA Mattress Recycling Program.